Alright guys, start making your fish spice like this and you are going to thank me later. So in Cameroon we have a couple of sauces that we eat our fish with that we call fish spice, and the most popular one is the green spice, okay, and which is what most Cameroonians are more familiar with, you know. But I want to introduce you to this white spice I'm about to do. So to make this white fish spice, you need to get rid of anything that is green, okay? So no celery, no green part of the leeks. You know, you have to get your ingredients just the white one. So here I have some ginseng, okay, I don't know how they call it in English. Here I have some garlic. Here we have onions. For the leeks, we are going to use just the bottom of the leek, so we don't need the whole leek. Remember, we have to keep it white. Here we have some ginger. This is some white pepper. This is specifically some Cameroon white pepper from Penja. So you need some Penja white pepper, but any white pepper can do actually. This is what we call country onion. I don't know in English, but French we say rondelle, English, in Cameroon English we say country onion. This is already blended, so I have it here straight from Cameroon. And we also have this magic ingredient, pebe. This is pebe. Again, I don't know the English name. You have to Google that. This is pebe. I think they call it African nutmeg, something like that. So this is what you need to make your white fish spice. And trust me, you're going to love it. Let's go. So all you have to do is put all your ingredients in the blender cup. So I like to blend it with just oil and not water because I don't want to add more water to the stuff. This is good, so I'm gonna put it in the pan so I can how do we call it?
What do you want to say?
Cook it. So I can cook it on the fire.
Yeah, but is that not either you're already saying you want another word for
professional word? So I can
prep it and get it ready. No, I don't know.
Alright, so just like that, your fish sauce is ready. You can eat this with any kind of fish: grilled fish, fried fish, oven baked fish, roasted fish. Like it goes with any kind of fish. Like you see, this is absolutely gorgeous. So try this and let me know what you think.